some more thoughts about how to get a boat for free. Hi, I'm Alan Stokel. There is an old English story about a man who scours the obituaries for men of his age. He attends their funerals smelling of whiskey. He uses an atomizer to spray his clothes and his mouth. The family wants to be rid of this objectionable bounder, and when he mentions the deceased owed him £50, they give him a £50 note just to be rid of him. Now, I'm not suggesting that you show up at funerals stinking of booze, but often family members are not enthusiastic sailors and might see the boat that they have inherited as a liability. Look at this. Here's a perfectly good sailboat with a cradle offered on Kijiji for free. Now, by the time you see this video, it will be long gone, but keep in mind that free boats are out there if you know where to look. Now, you can start checking with a Google search. After that, then check Kijiji. If you don't have Kijiji in your area, use Craigslist or some similar site, and sign up for daily notifications if they're available. Don't bother with looking under free items. Go directly to boats. I've never actually seen a boat listed under free items. There's another train of thought. I have a friend who buys used cars. He buys the cars that nobody wants, and then he fixes them up and sells them. He also drives those cars most of the time while he's fixing them up. If you're handy, have some time on your hands, and have some space to store a boat, you can get a free or almost free boat that you don't want, fix it up, sell it, and then get another. After a few years, you will be able to afford the boat you really want. Now, have you ever wanted to live aboard a boat? I know I do. Some places are better than others for this. Locations with long winters are not ideal for living aboard a boat. Now, think about this. If you're renting at $800 a month, you can save almost $10,000 a year by living on a boat. Now, that only works if you don't have to pay for docking the boat. This has become so popular in some states that municipalities have started outlawing mooring boats for extended periods of time, especially along the intercoastal waterway.
Well, you seem like a good person to me, and I need you, another good person like me, to do two things to help me grow my channel. First, please give me a thumbs up, and please watch to the end. Neither of these things will cost you anything except a moment of your time, and it means everything to us as we grow this channel. Thanks. I know you can do it.
Even if you're having to pay for docking, you'll still save at least half. Are there more ideas? Better ideas? Do you have a better idea? Tell us about how you got a boat for free or almost free. Leave your comments below, or make a video or email us. I'm Alan Stokel, and thank you very much for watching.